Okay, Gerard. So here we go. 3M is, here's the line for the 3M right here. So this one just glazed through, but this is plastic underneath here, right? And on the hood, there'll be a slightly little ding. It looks like it might have got a bit of the paint. But if you look on the hood above the 3M line, where there's no 3M, you got all these little spots. Alright, that's a fairly nasty one there. Right? And it looks like we got some up here, one over there. Now this one looks like just the 3M is bubbled. Right? So it just cut into the 3M. But for the most part, that is in the 3M. And then down on the bottom, a little bit of little bug guts on here, but 3M is doing its job, right? I actually do my personal truck with it and I love it. And then driver's side, right? Got a few little spots. And then some of the ones that I pointed out before. And a little scratch. The passenger side won't be as bad. Now if you look on the, there's a few little scratches, you know, putting suitcases in and out of the hatch. Got one little ding there. Little chip. That's a little scratch. A couple little chips. That just looks like glue that comes off. And then a few little chips here. So for 105K, it's in excellent condition, Gerard. So have a look at this. If you have any more questions, give me a call. Oh, your windshield here. There is, I don't know if you can see it. One little chip. It doesn't look like it can be even filled. And then this one again too, it's just on the surface. It's not even chipped in. So it's got a few little surface chips where it looks almost like sand blasted, right? So it's alrighty.